Hello, my dear students, and all the listeners. I hope that everyone is doing fine. I am Professor Chavi Sood, Faculty of Law at IILM University. Today, we will elaborate and make our students understand the career opportunities after doing law. The basic notion that law makes only lawyers and judges will be dispelled today. Law as a career opens different avenues. The scope after pursuing law is so vast that it might be difficult for us to discuss in this podcast. The best thing about law as a career is that so many career options are opened after finishing law. It has to be one of the unique professions which can offer various avenues. One of the first things which comes to mind of a student pursuing law is the elite post of a judge. A law student, after completing his graduation, may take the examination of lower judiciary. A judge's duty is to hear the parties, examining witnesses, assessing the charges framed, and then giving a ruling. I'm sure that most of the people think that it's just like movies. It is that one question which leads to the victory or loss of a party, or conviction or acquittal of a person. Conduction of a trial is rather a lengthy process, and it is not only about that one question. A judge has to assess the evidence brought forward, weigh the arguments presented, and then give a judgment based on the reasoning which can stand the test before the appellate courts. However, various skills are required for a law student to become a judge. A law student needs to develop strong analytical, logical, and hearing skills. An aspiring judge needs to have patience and the capability to put in hard work. There are various perks after becoming a judge. So, if all this excites you, this is your field. The second and most obvious choice after completing law is to become a lawyer. Lawyers are officers of the court whose primary duty is to represent their client and presenting the facts of a case before the judge. The fact that law and society are dynamic makes the job of a lawyer a very challenging one. You need to be a good orator, a patient listener. You need to develop perseverance and the capacity to burn midnight oil. Honing research and drafting skills is a must. A lawyer, while representing a case of his client, might face a query from the judge based on a new proposition of law. So, a lawyer needs to have that skill so that he is able to take any question or query from the judge and present his case in the best possible way. After completing a law graduation, a student may think of getting into academics and become a professor. Nurturing lawyer and future judges is surely a surreal experience. If a student fancies a good pay package and is prepared to work day and night, working in a corporate job is the one. A corporate lawyer deals in mergers, acquisitions, and other important tasks related to a company. The scope does not end here. There are opportunities for corporate lawyers in all fields, be it banking and finance, trade and capital marketing, and any organization operating in any other field. Just like other avenues discussed, hard work along with knowledge is the key. A law student may also become a legal advisor in a government department or a PSU. The legal department in any office is the most essential part of any organization. In today's scenario, with the onslaught of legal battles, the role of legal advisor becomes very essential because they engage lawyers, forward them facts of the case after obtaining them from the concerned department. A legal advisor has to keep things updated to the lawyer engaged by them and then preparing the file notings for the immediate legal head. A law student can also join a LPO, that is, the legal process outsourcing, which refers to the practice of a law firm or companies engaging outside companies for taking care of their legal work. For example, vetting of documents, preparation of citations, making briefs of cases, due diligence. The next important field, as a legal researcher, the student can work directly under a judge of the High Court or Supreme Court and assist the judge in research or any other task which the honorable judge deems fit, which is required in writing a judgment. I think working with a judge has to be a great learning opportunities. So we saw that the avenues opened after completing law are surely endless. I am sure that the students listening to us will now have some clarity about avenues which open up after pursuing law. Thank you, listeners, for joining IILM University.